Hi, today's Wednesday 7th of August and we're in Salou. It's just gone 9 o'clock in the evening, the sun's gone down, but we thought we'd take you for a walk along one of the beaches and head off into Salou main town. So it should be hopefully nice and lit up with plenty of LED lights and fluorescent lights to see what's going on. But come with us and we'll see what we see. So as you can see, the sun's just gone over the hill and there is still a lot of people out on the beach. Got people paddle boarding, people swimming, the restaurants are opening up. It's still incredibly warm. So this is where we are, Playa de los Capellons. Apologies to any Spanish speakers for the poor pronunciation. Glorious smell of food from them beach balls. We're okay though, we've just not long eaten, so we've come out for a walk.
Seems a lot of bats again.
Did you bats? Oh yeah, I can see bats in the trees, yeah. Yeah, whether you can make them out on the camera, but there's definitely bats flying around.
You see them?
Yep, I can see them. Yep, there we go. Small bats. Wow. Oh yeah, sure. An arrow.
Falta un poquito todavía para llegar.
I just noticed that there's more bats flying around. There's quite a lot of bats.
Güzel ise de koyunu getiriyor.
this is the view over the beach that we've just walked around. We started over there. Paddle boards. Yeah. It's quite a nice calm evening now, isn't it, compared with how rough the sea was earlier on today when we were on the beach.
It was just the direction of the beach, I think.
Yeah.
And the angle that the waves were coming in. Because we were on the other side of this.
We were.
cabin.
That's right. Say again? It is very warm. So these lights go all the way around what must be the old city walls. Somebody will have to tell me if I'm wrong. I probably am. But it makes a really nice spectacle to walk around, and at night they're really well lit up.
Can we see them?
That's the view over to Salou and down to Cambrils. We've booked a boat ferry down to Cambrils tomorrow. Have a wander around the town. I imagine Rachel will find some shops.
Thank you. Bring your wallet.
I'll take my wallet, yeah.
Bats are still going now, look.
There are loads of bats, aren't there? Wow! I don't know, too many bats to count.
It's not like just our town.
No. So, a monument to seafarers possible.
It's been so warm today, you can feel the heat coming off
Off the buildings.
the buildings.
Yeah.
The brickwork. Classic building.
Yeah, it looks quite nice, doesn't it? Though? Small shaly beach. What, I don't know. I can't count. There's a lot of bats.
Comer aqui. Sim. Para apanhar pessoas, vêm ali, compram um frango e levam para casa e comem em casa. Mais de 50 pessoas na bicha. E vamos comer aqui. Ah, mas só temos que não.
Chega, vai.
Onde vou, como. Vou passear aqui. Depois nos comemos ao meio-dia. Ontem nos comemos à noite, eu sempre à noite. Vamos comer à noite, depois compramos uma baguete. Aqui vai ter uma baguete de fruta. Depois, muito bom.
Chula, ¿eh? El escudero. Y esta es la foto que hacen siempre las chicas.
Me falta la corona, el escudo, la espada.
I really have no idea who that is. Somebody please tell me. There's no description either to tell you who it is. Nope, that didn't help. Ah, okay.
No, adrede. ¿Qué la quieres? ¿Con luz? Mírame.
Ahora, como es familiar, y a mí se me
So we've now walked round to the front of the main promenade on Salou. Salou Beach, yeah, and the start of the cocktail bars. Yeah, the strip, yeah. You can just make out the monument. Oh, sorry, dear. Just over there. So we'll walk down here and just finish this video. It's a boardwalk just by the sea, just in front of the bars. That's a very popular sign, that is, isn't it? Imagine one if we had one at home that just said Burslem or Fenton or Longton.
Just that.
So there we go, and there's Rachel in front of the Salou sign. So we'll leave it at that. It's starting to get quite dark now, so not going to get much visibility on the camera. Let's have a quick look round. Yeah. So starting to lighten up now with all the beach bars, isn't it? Yeah. And some glorious reflections across the sea. Just about make the moon out, can't we? Okay, so we'll leave you to it. Thanks very much for watching. See you soon. Bye now.